The president of the League of Provincial Governors sees a further improvement in the delivery of government service to the people. This in the midst of a drop in cases of corruption in the country. The details of this report from Freddy Abando.
President Benigno Aquino III was elected to office with the campaign slogan, "If there is no corruption, there is no poverty."
Dito magwawakas ang pumumunong manhid sa mga daing ng taong bayan. Hindi sinoy-noy ang gumawa ng paraan. Kayo ang dahilan kung bakit ngayon magtatapos na ang pagtitiis ng sambayanan. Ito naman po ang umpisa ng kalbaryo ko. Ngunit kung marami tayong magpapasa ng krus, ay natin ito gaano mang kabigat. Sa tulong ng wastong pamamahala sa mga darating na taon, may ibsan din ang marami nating problema.
3 years after, his unrelenting campaign for good governance has gained significant results.
Ang naging kultura nun, iba eh. Yung approved agency estimate, mas mataas pa rin yung bid pero nakukuha pa rin nila. Ngayon, hindi. Kailangan bumaba ka sa approved agency estimate, mas bumaba ka pa ng 10%. Tapos aside from that, pati yung contractor's profit, niliitan din. So talagang maliit lang ang kita. Tama lang. Kasi dati sobra-sobra naman talaga ang kita ng mga contractors eh. In fact, yung mga contractors ang yumayaman eh.
Among the first to face the bar of justice is former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, who was charged with plunder in connection with the NBNCTE deal. So with her spouse, former First Gentleman Attorney Mike Arroyo, who was charged for the anomalous purchase of helicopters for the PNP. Mrs. Arroyo is detained since plunder is a non-bailable crime. Former Chief Justice Renato Corona was impeached, convicted, and removed from office for culpable violations of the Constitution. Corona failed to disclose truthfully his statement of assets and liabilities. Because of this, the President's crusade is improving the delivery of services to the people. Mindoro Oriental Governor Alfonso Umali Jr., President of the League of Governors, bared the drop in corruption. He cited the example of the Department of Public Works and Highways.
Kailangan may mga best practices, seal of good housekeeping. Pag magaling ka mag-ayos, transparent ka, accountable ka, diyan ka makakakuha ng pondo. Mas maraming pondo. Diba? The more you are transparent and accountable, diyan ka bibigyan ng pondo. Pagka hindi ka, hindi ka nagpapakita ng mga dapat teka muna. Wala kang pondong may rewards and recognition ngayon.
A major reform in local governance is the scorecard system, which rates the performance of LGUs. This was the initiative of the late DILG Secretary Jesse Robredo, which gives the seal of good housekeeping for every LGU, which is graft-free. For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.